What is going on, YouTube? I am Mike. This is Living with 3M Auto Vlogging, and I am glad you guys tuned in today. Just headed back from the auto parts store with the wife's C250 Mercedes. It's a 2014 model, but I think they go from, this model goes from a 08 to a 15. Not really sure. You guys need to check that. But what we're doing is I'm going to change the cabin air filter. So it hadn't been changed probably since the car was new. It's got 70,000 miles on it now. So we're gonna change that, and I'm gonna show you how to go about doing that. There is the part that the Advanced Auto Parts give me, Purelator 1. All right, guys, I'm about home. We're gonna get this thing started. But before we do, please, if you find this video useful in any way, shape, or form, hit the subscribe button. Give me that thumbs up.
Come on, people. What are you waiting on? Let's smash that like button, subscribe to Mike's channel, and help my boy out.
Okay, guys, so what you're gonna need, your air filter, obviously, but when you get down here, you're gonna need a T20. It's a T20, and I think you can see it usually on right there. T20. All right, so, and it's gonna be up under the dash. I'm gonna try to show this. It's really tough. Yeah, there it is. One. Sorry for the blurriness. Let's see. Two. Let's see. There's one right here. So there's three total, and this little plastic piece will pop down. So there's not many holding it. So I think it's three. All right, so I do have that 20 on there. So we'll take this one out and let you see exactly what we're dealing with. Okay, so you're gonna have three of those. Okay, the other one's over near the door, as you can see. In that first hole right there. So I've gotten two down so far. I think there's another one. Yep. Right here. That'll be three total. At least I think there's three. Hope there's not four. I think I'm right when I say three. All right. As you can see, it's trying to pull down now. Yep. All right, so, but to remove this unit, you're gonna need to unplug this, which is pretty simple. If I can get my hands right under here. Got it. So it's just a little clip on the side of it. You just push it in and pull it out. It will take you two hands though. One hand is pretty tough. Okay guys, so one thing I did forget was the WeatherTech floor mat that was in here. You're gonna have to remove that. And basically, see this is factory. You just pull this back and pull it down. It's made to pull down easy. That's why I was having such a time getting this out. All right, there, pop loose. So you got to contend with this little piece here. Okay, but what I wanted to do was show all of you where the screws are. Okay, so this would be closest to the radio and the glove box right there. dead in the middle and over here near the door. So you'll just have 3 T20 to release this. And this little thing here puts up a fight as well. Just, I can go ahead and forewarn you, it's a little piece of plastic with some insulation, but it really does put up a fight. Especially with one hand while you're trying to film. So always remember, remove the floor mat, push this down. That way you will have access. There is the bottom of where the filter is. Okay, so I'm out here working on the car and my grandson Maverick comes out. What'd you just do?
I'm a potty.
You had to go potty?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm sure everybody on YouTube appreciates that. We're very descriptive. So, okay, guys. I know you're interested in this. So, this piece slid over, but we still have to. You want to play golf? Okay, Poppy will help you in just a second. He's helping people with their Mercedes first, and then we'll play golf. Okay, so you see this little clip? We're gonna take a screwdriver up in the edge and just pop that little clip off. Okay guys, took just 2 hands. I just pushed up on it and the little clip just popped off. Looks like a little C-clamp sorta. That just holds the filter in. So now we should be able to pull it down and access that. There you go. Pretty simple. Tell me we don't have another clip on here, guys. I thought they only put 1 on. All right, let me check it out with both hands and we'll come back. All right, guys, it pulled straight down. It's very dirty. That's a 70,000 mile filter. Never was changed. All right, we didn't own the car for 70,000 miles, I'll go ahead and tell you. So I'm just now doing the preventive maintenance. All right, and to drop that down, there was a clip right here. And guess what? That's right, there was 2 clips. That's why I was having so much trouble with it. So, but you guys know that I am doing this alongside you. Like first time me, first time you. So if I can do this, do it one-handed with an iPhone video, then I feel sure that you guys can do it as well. So yeah, I'd say that's a definite change. That's a whole lot different, a whole lot cleaner. So, all right, and let's go ahead and put this one in. So I'm gonna throw this one outside here on the ground. All right, and this one's got a black slide lock instead of a white one from the factory. I think we have to unlock it right there. All right, and we're gonna put it right in that space that we took it out. Okay, guys, if you will notice, there's an arrow on here that actually goes towards the front of the car. So it would almost be down towards the floorboard. Because when it's up like this, they say towards the front of the engine. So yeah, all right, it'll go just like that. All right, and one thing just then, I noticed this had a crack in it and it just popped. So Purolator 1, really cheap plastic lock on there. So we have a remedy for that. This is the factory unit that came off the factory air filter. It just slides off. It's just a slide lock. All right, also I called and spoke with the dealer and he said unless you go with a factory air filter, these are actually thicker on the Purolator And these little clips right here actually will not work. They're too, plus once you slide this in place, it holds it. There's really no need for those clips. It's just a hassle and a headache you don't really need. So I'm gonna go ahead and take 2 hands, button this up, and I'll show you afterwards. All right guys, there it is. That was a bit of a struggle because you really need to be on your back. And that's what I was on my back, 2 hands on it, because you have to push on this as well as that side and slide them both to clip onto the plastic. So you will experience a little hassle with this. And it is definitely in there, so you don't need those clips on the side. All right, so next thing, we're gonna leave this down. We're gonna plug our light back in, put everything back. All right, just to show you, this is the way it's gonna go back in. You'll just feed it up through there. We'll see if I can do it with one hand, but possibly not. Yeah, almost. There's that. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, going in was not near as tough as coming out. So we'll put our screws in, push this back up, put our floor mat in, and we'll call this job finished. All right guys, that's gonna conclude the video. I sure appreciate you guys watching. Drop me some comments if you've done this or you had issues or whatnot. Just let me know how your install went. And man, it was a little bit of a struggle considering to put it, quote my buddy Cody Mike out in Texas, it's hotter than damn fish grease out here, 40 hells of fish grease. So that's what I feel like. It's June in North Carolina right now, 2022, and it's 94 degrees. So I did wait till the shade came over. I've got a carport, as you guys can see, that's built on the house, but my wife, we're using it for the grandkids and patio. So I'll do everything in the driveway, but not in direct sunlight. So even in the shade, it was blistering, especially on your back, under the dash, upside down. So all right guys, that's gonna be it. I'll catch you in the next video. Later.